got a lot of work today. We got 2 hours to do 5 cars. Really expensive cars, so I'm kind of nervous. We're all nervous, but we gotta get it done.
What you got for me?
Today is a special day. Everybody asked, what's my favorite thing in my garage? It's not my average Volkswagen, my Bugatti, my SV. Love it. I get a lot of looks with the girls. My GT, I love it too. Everybody's mad because it's not a GT3 RS, but you know, that's all I could afford. I got the Rolls with the white body kit. Insane, there's only one. And then we had a favorite family SUV where we go everywhere in this thing. We throw the dogs in the back, we pull the boat with it, we go everywhere. They're basically only mine when I get to wash them. So I get to have fun and imagine things. See you guys in a bit. A lot of the Lambos is the same thing, how to put on the roof. It's just basically pay attention. Everything's basically has a number on there. How to install it, how to put it on. It's just common sense. A lot of these guys that drive these don't know how to install them. But like my boss, smart. He knows how to put it on and take it off. But he just doesn't like putting it back on. That's when I come through. Step 1, guys, don't put it on the car. Put it on your foot. Step 2, reach right here. Just put the seat forward. Step 3, handle right here. Step 4, click it, bam, and let's put this thing on. That's it.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record.
Guys, it's like always, we start off with the water. The only difference is we got 5 cars at the same damn time. Watch this out.
So nice for y'all. Now I got to up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hay. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the balls. I'm flipping the.
The best way is to always use the real foam by Bros Automotive Detailing. We got the best foam gun in the house. But that's the best way. I told you guys on the other video, stop using that cheap foamer, and I demonstrated to you guys. Check this out. Clock is ticking, baby. Time is money, money is time. Customer only gave us 2 hours to get these 5 bad boys ready. Time is ticking.
Somos leyenda, 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 leyendas vivas. Somos leyenda, 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 leyendas vivas. La gente pone las reglas para que los otros las sigan. Afuera, afuera esa gente que siempre tiene esa manía. Somos Somos las leyendas vivas. Somos las leyendas vivas. Stop.
Cars are done. Customer never asked, but our job is to provide the best customer satisfaction on anything. So we always start them up and we always park them the way he loves to get all his cars in and out. The easy way, park them forward. When he gets in, let's roll. all done. Clean them from top to bottom. Washes, waxes, do a little extra to them. Let me know. Just leave a comment and let me know which one's your favorite car. We're starting off. We hope you like it. We hope you enjoy. Share it to everybody. Any car guy you know, share it to them. Subscribe, like, and share. Appreciate you guys. We got a bunch of more stuff coming out.
What you got?